Do you want to know why you get paid less as compared to your colleagues? Or do you want to know how to increase your salary as compared to your colleagues? Then this podcast is for you. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Ravindra Pawar here. Thank you so much for listening this podcast. I am a talent acquisition professional turned job search expert, and today I am going to help you understand how can you get paid more as compared to your colleagues. So, let's dive in. Today I'm going to share you an incident. Recently I came across a situation where one of my old colleague called me up and spoke to me about various topics and issues he was going through. And one of the topic in the discussion was about not being satisfied about the remuneration the company is providing to him for all the services he is giving it to them. And I can completely relate to it because I had seen this person doing wonderful work from the close quarters. He further told me that he had a couple of times confronted his manager asking for a pay rise, which did not work in his favor, and his boss approach started changing for him after he asked his boss a pay raise. Now, why did these things would have happened? Probably my old colleague was not able to deliver the result what matters the most, or might be he is not in the good books of the manager. Think on it for a while. Now, most of the people would think that obviously to get a pay rise, you need to be either into a good books of the manager or you need to be working really hard to impress the management. Now, here I will give you the answer. Pause this podcast for a second now and take a pen and paper and write down the only reason why you can get a hike or you can't get a hike in your job is because of perceived value which you show it to the company. Now you might be wondering, we have heard about value, but what is perceived value is all about? Perceived value is the value management can see in you while you being associated with the company. The higher the perceived value, the higher will be the pay hike. The lower the perceived value, lower will be the pay hike. Now, a word of cautions. Perceived value is a metaphor which keeps on varying from person to person and management to management. Now, the ideal case would be not depending upon the perceived value assumption from the employer's end. Rather, take in account your own perceived value on your own thought basis because nobody is going to judge better than you. If you feel you are being underpaid than your perceived value, take action to jump from company A to company B. Whereas if you feel you are being overpaid than your perceived value, then make sure to elevate yourself to at least perceived value which others are seeing into. The more delay you make in terms of filling the gap between perceived value and your current situation, you'll be in trouble soon. Now, the question is how can you understand what is perceived value of you and what actions do you need to take to improve your perceived value? I invite you to be part of my next webinar where I did share some awesome things which can really change the perspective you look towards at. Visit my website ravindrapawar.in and submit your details and you'll get a further webinar updates I am conducting about. I look forward to help you in your journey. Attend the webinar and then you can decide how to take this journey ahead. Remember, to grow in your career, take action and take actions now. Thank you so much for listening to this podcast. This is Ravindra Pawar here signing off for today. Thank you so much. Cheers. Bye bye.